Hello everyone and welcome to Linda's Do Plants for You. This is going to be a very short video. It's an unboxing video, and before I open it I just want to share with you the way that this happened. I was talking to my friend from Suzette's Gardens. By the way, if you haven't seen her YouTube channel, you really should check her out. She's got, I don't know, hundreds and hundreds of plants inside and out, and she's really a true plant lover, and I just love watching her videos. But anyways, she had contacted me to let me know that this plant was on eBay and she was going to order it, and she sent me a picture of it. When I saw it, I got really excited because it's one that I've always wanted, and the important part of this is that it was a lot cheaper than I have seen them in the stores around here. And it's actually from, I believe it's called Annie's Store, the number 10. That is the name of it. And maybe I'll try and put that in the description for those of you that might be interested. But let's not waste any time getting her out of here, because I know that she's been in transit for a couple days and it's been so hot. And I hope that she's doing okay. And by the way, this is only the second unboxing that I've ever done, so I hope you can see this okay. Well, I can see I'm going to have to come up with some better tools for any future unboxing videos. Uh-oh, and I opened the wrong end, I think. Oh, maybe not. I don't want to damage it. Wow. 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 It's huge. Okay. Get that out of the way. Wow. I'm shocked at the size of this. It was $9 or $9.99 and $8 shipping. I think I'm not going to open this yet because I don't want the I can feel a huge root ball underneath here. and I'm going to get this planted up right away, but I probably won't video that. I just wanted you all to be here for my unboxing and to let you know how I ended up getting this. And wow, look at the color. And there's new shoots coming in, so you know it's healthy, it's growing. I hope you all can see. I'm looking at the feedback on my camera, and I think you can, but I hope you all can see the color on this. I mean, on both sides. And I am kind of partial to the colored leaves, the purples and reds and burgundies anyways. So, as those of you who have been following me and can see my decor, my dining room is actually those colors. It's got some of that in there. I did this dining room back years ago. I did it in the with a Tuscany type of look, and so it has a lot of, you know, the old muted golds and greens, and then with a touch of this burgundy and wine, you know, wine colors. So it will go very well in my house, although I think I'm going to be putting this in my living room where I can stare at it at least for the first couple weeks, because I want to watch this grow. This is just crazy. How beautiful. And so reasonable. I mean, I watch all the unboxing videos that I can, because I love watching people be surprised and get things in the mail, and I can get excited with them. And I know all too often that there are people who are very disappointed when they actually open up their package. So I guess it's normal to be a little apprehensive when you order, but I didn't have anything to be apprehensive about, because just look at this beauty. Oh my goodness. And I am waiting for Suzette to get her video up and running, because I wanted her to do hers first, because she's the one that found this plant. But I guess she's been busy, she says. So anyway, that's it, folks. If you have this plant, let me know. And let me know how you like it. And if you have any other comments or suggestions, I'm excited to hear them. So leave a comment in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, if you want to see more videos, then you would want to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so that you'll be notified when I do put up a new video. Alright. Oh my goodness. Isn't she gorgeous? Just beautiful. Wow. That color is just unbelievable. Ugh, I can't wait to get her potted up. Alright, I'm going to cut this short. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and stay tuned for the next video. Okay. Bye now.